Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making hummus. My family loves hummus and we eat with just about anything. So let's get right into it. So I took my big blender. I've added about 700 grams of cooked chickpeas. I've soaked them overnight and I pressure cooked them with a little bit of baking soda. You want to have some mushy chickpeas in here because you want to make a smooth paste for that. I'm adding 2 cloves of chopped garlic in here. The juice of 1.5 lime. If you want to add lemon juice, go ahead and add lemon juice instead. Salt to taste. I'm gonna add this much for now, and if needed, I'm gonna add some more later on. About 7 tablespoons of tahini. Now I'm gonna blend it all together to make a smooth paste. Once it's at this consistency, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 ice cubes in here. Some roasted cumin seeds powder on it and some olive oil on top, and garnish with some parsley.